Hello everybody, I want to show you in this video how you can insert a SIM card at the OnePlus 7T Pro. So what we need is next to the phone the pin, and the pin is part of the box. So not in here, down this one, and down the case you will find this little card here, and on the back of this card you will find the pin. So just remove it like this and you have it. And of course you could use otherwise also the edge of a paper clip. And if you have the phone like this, you will find down the phone the SIM tray. And the part of the SIM tray is a small hole in there, and with the edge of the pin or the paper clip you enter that hole, press a bit and the SIM tray will come out. So with that SIM tray you are able to insert two nano SIM cards if you want. Okay, so let's start with the first SIM card. It is always written here with SIM 1 or SIM 2. You put it like this until you hear the click, then it's inserted. It has to look like this. So the contacts are on the top, and here is the missing corner to the missing corner. Okay, and down this first SIM card you will have the opportunity to enter also a second SIM card if you want. You put it in the same way like this, so also until you hear that click. And also missing corner, and the contacts are also on the front. Okay, and if you're ready with, you put that construction back in the phone here like this, and it's done. I hope I could help you with this video and answer a question, and if you want you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs up. It would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for, and yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in them. Just subscribe me. It would be a pleasure to see you again, and maybe until next time. Ciao.